Want to earn money online without any design skills or investment? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use free AI tools to create and sell designs on Redbubble so you can start building passive income right away. Now take a look at this. This is how much I've earned just by doing this simple work, and I did it all in my free time. If I can do it, so can you. So if you're serious about starting your own online income stream, make sure you watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to earn online. Let's get started. First, we will see what exactly is Redbubble and how does it work. Redbubble is a print-on-demand platform. You upload your designs and they handle everything. Printing, shipping, even customer service. Every time someone buys a product with your design, you earn a commission without any inventory or upfront cost. First, we need to create a Redbubble account. Don't worry, it's completely free and only takes a few minutes. Visit redbubble.com, click Sign Up at the top right. Enter your email, username, and password. And from here, select first option, that is, Artist Sign Up. Keep one catchy name for your shop, then agree to the terms and hit Sign Up. Once you're in, click these interface will pop up here in general. They guide you to how you can set up upload and earn from their platform. Complete your artist profile. Add a display name, bio, and profile picture if you have one, then click on Save Changes. After that main step will come, that is where you have to upload your 5 designs. So let's create designs. Now that your store is ready, it's time to come up with design ideas. But don't worry if you're not creative. AI can help you generate best-selling ideas in seconds. In the chat box, type this prompt. Give me 10 trendy short t-shirt quote ideas for Redbubble that appeal to US teens and young adults. Keep them funny, sarcastic, or aesthetic. ChatGPT will respond with a list like, "Mentally, I'm in a cottagecore playlist." No thoughts, just vibes. I paused my anxiety to be here. Cool kids cry in vintage hoodies. Pick your favorite 3 to 5 ideas to start with. These ideas are great for text-based or simple graphic designs. You can even ask ChatGPT for ideas based on niches like pets, mental health, gaming, or quotes for moms. Now that you have your design ideas ready from ChatGPT, let's bring them to life using Leonardo AI, a free AI image generator that makes it super easy, even for beginners. Go to leonardo.ai and create a free account. Click on AI Image Generation. In the prompt box, type something based on the idea ChatGPT gave you. For example, cute kawaii-style cat holding a coffee mug, white background, vector art, print ready. Select style as prompt magic, on style, vector art, or kawaii illustration, canvas. Size 1024 by 1024 or higher. Background, white or transparent. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Once you see a design you like, click Download. Make sure it's in PNG format and high resolution. Keep your prompts simple and focused. Designs with white backgrounds and bold characters usually look great on Redbubble products. Got your design? Awesome. Now it's time to upload it to your Redbubble shop and start making money. Let me show you exactly how to do that in the next step. Go to redbubble.com, click on Add New Work, then click on Upload New Work. Choose the PNG file you downloaded from Leonardo AI. Add a title that clearly describes the design. Example, cute kawaii cat drinking coffee vector. In the tags section, add 10 to 15 relevant keywords. Kawaii cat, cute coffee design, pastel illustration, vector art, Redbubble sticker, animal cartoon, etc. Add a short description like, adorable kawaii-style cat sipping coffee, perfect for mugs, stickers, and more. Scroll down to see the design on different products, t-shirts, mugs, stickers. Enable disable products as needed. Adjust the placement and background if necessary, especially for dark products. Select the default product view. Usually sticker or t-shirt works best. Choose a product category. Mark it as Mature Content No, and click Save Work. Using specific tags and a catchy title helps your design show up in Redbubble search results, increasing your chances of getting sales. Now your design is live. But if you want to make your first sale faster, the next step is crucial. Let's talk about how to promote your shop for free. But before going to last step, let's set up payment method. Click on your profile, then click on Account Settings, then click on Edit Payment Method here. Give all of your credentials, then click on Save Changes. Whenever user buy this design or product from Redbubble, you will get commission. Let's talk about how to promote your shop for free. Pinterest. Create a free business account. Upload your design image with a keyword-rich title and description. Link it to your Redbubble product page. Facebook groups. Join niche groups related to your design, e.g. cat lovers, kawaii fans. Share your product as a fun post, not a sales pitch. Instagram Reels and Stories. Post quick 5 to 10-second reels showing the product mock-up. Use trending audio and add hashtags like #print on demand, #Redbubble artist,